In a city as vibrant and sunny as Miami Gardens, your windows play a crucial role in defining your home's comfort, beauty, and efficiency. Whether you're upgrading for energy savings, storm protection, or a fresh modern look, new windows are a smart investment. But one key factor determines how well those windows perform over time: professional installation. While it might be tempting to take the DIY route or hire the lowest bidder, window installation is a specialized task that requires skill, precision, and the right tools. Here's why working with trained professionals in Miami Gardens is the best decision for your home and peace of mind. Ensuring a perfect fit and seal: Miami Gardens homeowners know the importance of keeping cool air inside and humid air out. Even the most energy-efficient windows won't perform properly if they're not installed with precision. Professional installers take detailed measurements to ensure every window fits perfectly within its frame. They also apply specialized insulation and sealing materials that prevent air leaks and water intrusion, two common causes of rising energy bills and indoor discomfort. A properly sealed window helps maintain consistent indoor temperatures, reduces strain on your HVAC system, and keeps your home quieter and more comfortable year-round. Long-term energy efficiency: one of the biggest benefits of upgrading your windows in Miami Gardens is the potential for energy savings. However, if the installation isn't done right, even the best windows can lose their efficiency. Certified professionals understand how to align frames, balance sashes, and install weather stripping correctly. These steps help maximize the performance of features like low-E coatings, insulated glass, and argon gas fills, which are designed to reflect heat and block UV rays. In the Florida heat, that means your air conditioner won't have to work as hard, translating into lower utility bills and a more sustainable home. Protection against Miami Gardens weather: from summer thunderstorms to hurricane season, Miami Gardens homes face unique weather challenges. Professionally installed windows create a stronger barrier against wind, rain, and flying debris. Experts know how to secure windows according to Florida's stringent building codes and can recommend the right impact-resistant options for your home's exposure. They'll ensure your windows are anchored properly to withstand pressure from high winds, giving you and your family peace of mind during storm season. A professional installation also helps prevent future issues like frame warping, leaks, or corrosion, all of which are common in coastal climates when installation isn't handled properly. Enhanced curb appeal and home value: windows don't just affect comfort, they dramatically influence your home's appearance. Crooked or poorly installed windows can ruin an otherwise beautiful exterior. Professional installers ensure your windows are level, symmetrical, and properly aligned with your home's architectural style. This attention to detail enhances curb appeal and makes your home look polished and well-maintained. If you plan to sell in the future, professionally installed energy-efficient windows can also boost your home's resale value. Buyers appreciate knowing that the job was done correctly and that the windows meet energy and safety standards. Warranty protection and peace of mind: most high-quality window manufacturers require professional installation for the warranty to remain valid. Attempting to install them yourself or using an unqualified contractor could void your coverage entirely. When you work with licensed Miami Gardens professionals, you're not only ensuring expert craftsmanship but also protecting your investment. Many installers provide their own workmanship warranties in addition to manufacturer coverage, meaning you're doubly protected if anything goes wrong. Saving time and avoiding costly mistakes: window installation involves more than just fitting glass into a frame. It requires removing old windows safely, adjusting rough openings, sealing gaps, and ensuring proper insulation. A single mistake, like an uneven fit or improper caulking, can lead to leaks, foggy glass, and reduced efficiency. Professional installers have the tools and experience to complete the job quickly and correctly the first time. You won't have to worry about redo costs or future repairs, saving you both time and money. Final thoughts: in Miami Gardens, professional window installation isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity for comfort, efficiency, and durability. Skilled installers ensure your windows are airtight, weather-resistant, and beautiful, giving you lasting performance and confidence in your investment. Whether you're replacing aging windows or upgrading to energy-efficient, impact-rated models, partnering with local experts ensures your home stays cool, protected, and stylish, no matter what the Florida weather brings.